Step 1. Install Neovim. Go to neovim.io, click on Install Now, scroll down to find your operating system or distribution, and follow the instructions to install it. Step 2. Learn the basics. Open Neovim and type :tutor with a capital T. This will open a 30 minutes tutorial teaching you how to move around, edit files, search, and useful things like how to exit. Step 3. Customization. Go to github.com/nvim-lure/kickstart.nvim. This repository is a great starting point for your own personal configuration. It's much easier than starting from scratch, but still gives you a lot of control, and it's way less overwhelming than starting with a distribution like nvchad that comes with a lot of tools that you don't know how to use or don't need. You can fork this repository so that you will be able to modify it and save your changes, but that's optional. You don't have to do it. Scroll down to the installation guide, check that you meet the requirements, and follow the instructions for your operating system. But it pretty much comes down to cloning the repository inside the Neovim configuration directory. Once it's cloned, open Neovim and wait for Lazy to install a bunch of plugins. Now you can exit it. Move to your Neovim configuration directory and open the init.lua file. This is the configuration entry point, so read it from top to bottom. There are a lot of comments explaining how it works and what to change to configure the editor to suit your needs. Step 4. Read the user manual. You now have a powerful editor, so take the time to learn how to use it. Type :help user-manual to open the user manual, then type :only to make it full screen, or in one command :help user-manual pipe only. Then put your cursor on the first link and press Ctrl closing square bracket to open it. Now you can start reading it. Or if you're more of an audiobook type of person, you can watch TJ reading it for you. Step 5. Enjoy your new editor. Use it and get comfortable with it. Step 6. Become an advanced user. Learn everything you can. Learn Lua, write your own plugins, read the entire documentation, or even become a contributor. Step 7. Reach enlightenment and learn Emacs. Nah, just kidding. Nobody got time for this. Step 8. Subscribe, like, and comment. And have a good day. Bye. See you later.